Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how and where you can find unread messages in your Microsoft Teams account, for example, from relevant or important conversations and chats. So let us show you where you can find these filters to apply them to your chats and conversations. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to Microsoft Teams, log into your account using your Microsoft account here in the top right. And once you're inside your account, for example, through the web application of Microsoft Teams, all you need to do, guys, is head over to the chats feature or section of your account in the top left corner. And here, guys, you will see a list of all conversations and chats you have had so far with your contacts. As you can see, this list is pretty empty because I created this account for demonstration purposes just recently, guys. So what you want to do is simply click into these three lines here, filter, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F. And after that, for example, filter your contact list or apply a filter to your contact list and filter by names. Or if you'd like to find or filter out unread messages, if you have, for example, a very long list of contacts and now you'd like to filter out all unread messages, click into more filters here and select unread here, or use this shortcut Ctrl-Alt-U, and that is going to filter out any chats and conversations with unread messages below. And that's it, guys. Let me just remove or close that filter. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.